Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Kharbanda. I am a student of DPS Rajnagar Extension and I am here at this amazing place, Virat Khai, Chakrata. And in this edition of Terra Talk, we are going to talk about our experiences at the trip. Here we have Prabjot Singh, Naira Pathak, Lakshmikantam Parashar and Pavni Singhal with us.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So Prabjot, how was it for you? What all social information did you gather?
Hi. So for me, while enjoying with my friends and teachers, I observed local lifestyles like people live a simple and peaceful life close to nature and do daily activities including farming, small businesses and tourism related work. I also observed that the people here generate their income from agriculture, handicrafts and tourism and many local work as guides. Local people are very protective for nature and forests. People here support each other in daily life and during difficulties.
Well, quite knowledgeable. And Naira, what about you? As a girl, were you able to do all of that? And how was it different from that of Prabjot's?
Yeah, so for me it was a little tough as the way to the activity course was very difficult but adventurous. But I managed to complete it all perfectly. It required physical strength and some muscle power, but it was quite nice and fun experience and I believe everyone should experience it once. I was very enthusiastic and energetic from very beginning, but the path to activity course was very dangerous and as it was steep climbing, I slipped twice, but my team members were helpful and nice and helped me and others to complete the track. After reaching there, some teammates were afraid after seeing the scenario and the difficulty level, but ended up doing it, at least trying it and not just sitting idle. There were some who did not do it, but they also enjoyed it and cheered for the one who were actually doing it. I completed all the rope courses and rock climbing in the shortest time in my group girls and was the first one to volunteer and do all that and definitely enjoyed it a lot. So it was a difficult but on seeing it was easier when started. I also had a mindset to complete it as I consider myself as a fit candidate and it would be very insulting if I won't. But I was lucky enough to imply it and enjoy it to the core. And it is what actually matters. I was in a different team than my friends and in start I thought it would be very boring. But in reality it was completely different. And I ended up making memories and laughing with the ones who I did not think. It might be different from that of Prabjot because he have a different physique than mine. But I enjoyed it a lot and did all the activities and it is what matters.
Well, I totally agree with that. And it's quite interesting. Coming to you, Lakshmikantam, did you find it difficult?
देखो, मैं आज का अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ. आज ऑनेस्टली काफ़ी मज़ा आया. जो थोड़ी बहुत ट्रैकिंग करी वो काफ़ी स्मूथ थी, उतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं थी, सिंपल थी और काफ़ी इंजॉयबल थी. फ्रेंड्स के साथ मज़े भी ज़्यादा आ रहे थे. बाकी जो एक्टिविटीज़ करी, रॉक क्लाइंबिंग, लैडर क्लाइंबिंग, जिप लाइनिंग, सब में काफ़ी मज़ा आया. और जो ये माउंटेन्स का एनवायरनमेंट है ना, यहाँ आके माइंड को एक अलग ही पीस मिलता है. मतलब डेली लाइफ का जो स्ट्रेस होता है उससे बिल्कुल अलग वाइब है ये. बट ओवरऑल आज का दिन रियली गुड था.
Wow, what an experience, Lakshmikantam. Over to you, Pavni. How do you describe the overall trip?
Before the trip, I was quite apprehensive and excited, but when we reached, it felt like stepping into a completely peaceful world away from the city noise. The journey was full of excitement. The first thing that hit me was the silence. It was not crowded like typical tourist places. The view was honestly breathtaking. The cold breeze, the open skies, and the greenery was just amazing. The meals were also simple but really tasty. The teachers and the Terra team were very helpful and friendly.
I'm happy to know that you had a wonderful experience. At the end, I would conclude by thanking the school and the Terra team for the organization of the trip. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.